In honor of Black History Month, the Problem of the Week pays tribute to Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson. He is the director of the Hayden Planetarium in New York City, and he has hosted numerous television and radio science programs. He is an astrophysicist, cosmologist, author, and science communicator. It's his role as science communicator over the last decade that has allowed Dr. Tyson to make the universe more understandable to the general population. Well, let's look at this week's problem. We have 6 boxes. We're putting 6 of the first 9 counting numbers in the boxes. No number can be repeated, and we have to follow 3 rules. Well, we're going to look at the second rule first. B times B plus F is equal to A. The only 2 numbers small enough to fit in for B so that F and A are single-digit numbers is 1 or 2. Then we go to the first clue. The total of each row is 17, and since 1 or 2 is in the B box, then 6, 7, 8, or 9 must go in boxes A or C. Our final clue, C times F, is a 2-digit number, EF, and we write down all of the possible combinations using our 4 possible choices for C. Then we look at the values of E and F and write those values in as shown. We go back to the total of each row is 17, and we discover that if 1, 2, 3, or 4 is in box E, then the numbers 2 and 4 aren't large enough for box F. If 2 and 4 can't be used in box F, 1 or 2 can't be used in box E. And then, since 5 or 8 is all that's left for F, we know that the number 1 has to go in for B because of the middle clue. And then if the total of each row is 17 and B is 1, only 7 and 9 are left that could go in for A or C. We just don't know the order yet. And because 7 or 9 goes in box C, then 5 has to go in box F. And if 5 goes into box F, only an 8 or a 9 can go in box D, but the 9 must be used in the top row, so we put an 8 in box D. 8 and 5 is 13. 17 minus 13 is 4. And then the 9 goes in for C, so that 9 times 5 is 45, leaving just the 7 for box A. The rules are met. 719845, the answer to this week's problem of the week.